If you love a delicious okra stew or soup, please like this video before we even start. This method is quick, it is delicious, stress-free, and you get to enjoy your favorite okra stew or soup in under 30 minutes. I have processed my okra, and as you can see, I am using a frozen pack. If you are using fresh, you can process them as well or simply chop them as we normally do. So once I have everything in there, I am going to be adding some baking soda. That is if you want it quite slimy. If not, you can leave it as it is. And then I'll go in with a generous amount of chopped onions together with some fermented fish, momone. Yes. And then I will stir it up on a medium heat until it starts to heat up. Okay, I'm going to come back after like 2 minutes and give it another stir. I just want it to warm up nicely so it starts to release some moisture. Next, go in as Scotch bonnet for some heat. If you are not too keen on spicy foods, you can add green chilies as well. So stir everything nicely, and then we'll add some prawn powder or fish powder. Next, add some dry thyme. If you have fresh, why not? Pop some in as well, and I've also added a little bit of cloves powder. At this stage, it's already giving out a nice aroma. Now I've just added in some chopped red bell pepper. You can use tomatoes instead if you want. Just go in for one large tomato and that will be fine for this much okra. Okay, so I'll leave this to simmer for a bit, stirring occasionally so it doesn't burn. Next, boil yourself some hot water and add it to your okra. If you want a soup, then go in with a little bit more water than what I have done. Next, I've just added in some fresh prawns. And these are my crabs, which are thoroughly washed. And then I'll be adding in some freshly grounded garlic as well as freshly grounded ginger and stir everything together. At this stage, as you can see, everything is coming together and we are heading towards a truly delicious okra soup. Sometimes you just want it quick and this delivers perfectly. If you want extra chilies, why not throw some in at this stage? If not, you can leave it out. So now I'm going in with some chopped mushrooms as well. Just beautiful. This method is really quick, even with filming and everything. It didn't take much time to put this together at all. Just look at how inviting this okra stew is. Now I am adding in some smoked mackerel. If you don't have smoked mackerel at home, you can use canned fish because we want this sharp. Yes, I'm seasoning it with some onga cube, this is my homemade spice blend that I'm going to share with you, and I've just topped it up with some salt as well. In goes some much needed ginger to top it up. Just take a look at this, it is delicious. At this stage, top it up with some chopped onions, and I decided to add a little bit of palm oil. You can serve it as it is without any oil if you wish. Stir everything up and get your banku ready because this okra soup is ready. I do hope you appreciate this quick, delicious okra soup recipe. So kindly like this video to help support the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy cooking! Bye!